Hello friends, today I will discuss on some more problems related to the area and mensuration. As I have discussed in my lecture 1 about some problems based on area and rest of the problems which are asked in CSIR net examination I will discuss in this lecture. So let us start. There is a question that is asked in June 2015. The question is ABC's right angle triangle inscribed in a circle. So this ACB is a right angle triangle, as you are seeing that C is at 90 degree. Smaller semicircles are drawn on sides BC and AC. BC and AC, smaller semicircles are drawn. If the area of triangle is AB, this ACB has area A. What is the total area of the shaded lumps? Means you have to calculate this shaded portion area. So first of all, what is given? Given is ABC triangles area, that is A. It's given here somewhere. Triangle is A. So I have just written out triangles area is A. Now what? Suppose that this height is B and this base is L. So the area of triangle is just base into height. So it will be just 1 by 2 B into L, and this is nothing but this is equal to A. So suppose that this is equation A. Now again suppose that the semicircles made on this BC is C1, semicircle made on this AC is C2, and there is another semicircle which you are seeing from this diameter AB. So suppose this is just C3. Now I have to calculate the area of these semicircles, and then we can find the area of these shaded lumps. So first of all I will calculate the area of this semicircle made on BC, then AC, and then AB. So first of all at B, so the area of C1, that is semicircle at BC, will be just pi by 2 and radii ka whole square. Pi by 2 and radii is just, this is B from B to C, so radii will be just half of this small b, that is B by 2. So B by 2 whole square and pi by 2, so it will be just pi by 8 into B square. Now area of this semicircle C2, what will be? It will be similar, pi by 2 into radii square. Radii is nothing but L by 2. This is L, so half of this pi by 2. So this will be just pi by 8 into L square. Now I have to calculate this area of semicircle made on the diameter AB. So suppose this AB is capital R and this is a right angle triangle. So by the Pythagoras theorem you can easily write R square equals to B square base square plus perpendicular square. So this will be just B square plus L square. Now the area of this semicircle made on this diameter AB is pi by 2 into radii square. Radii will be just R by 2 whole square. Similarly it will be pi by 8 R square. Now the area of shaded portion will be calculated by subtracting the total area of this semicircle made on BC, this semicircle made on AC, and this triangle from this semicircle. That means we add these areas C1, C2 and triangle, and then subtract from this semicircle made on this AB. So we will get this shaded lumps. So what I will do, C1 plus C2 plus delta means triangles area, and then C3. You are seeing clearly that if you add this portion and this portion and then subtract this portion, then rest will be just like this shaded portion, because this will be excluded from here. So the rest will be just like this shaded portion. So this will be just pi by 8 B square plus L square plus A minus pi by 8 R square. So you have taken common pi by 8 B square plus L square minus R square plus A, and B square plus L square is nothing but R square. So R square and R square will be cancelled out. So you will just get A. So what will be the answer is A, correct answer. So this is the method you have to solve this question, and this is asked in June 2015. It's very important question, 2 marks question. I think you understand. If you have any doubt, then you can comment in my comment box. And if you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe and share this video to many more friends which are interested to study and do the preparation for CSIR net. Now come to the next question, which is also asked in the area, on the basis of area, and the question is OF the triangles, then the question is of all the triangles that can be inscribed in semicircle of radius capital R with the diameter as one side, the biggest one has the area. Now you have to calculate the area of the biggest triangle, and from this figure you are easily seeing that the biggest triangle is ACB, and the area of this ACB triangle, this is largest triangle. From this figure it's easy. You can see this triangle OAC and this triangle OBC is smaller than ACB, and this question of the triangles that can be inscribed in a semicircle of radius capital R with the diameter as one side, the biggest one, diameter as one side, the biggest one is ACB. So area is nothing but 1 by 2 into base into height. Base is nothing but AB and AB is 2R. So it is 2R and R. So and height is just radius, so 2 and 2 cancel out, it will be just R square. So option will be A. So this is very simple question. You can easily calculate the area of the biggest triangle inscribed in a semicircle. Now come to the next question. The question is, and this is very important question and it may be asked in 2020 June 2020 CSIR NET examination. It is very important question and you should prepare this very well. And I will tell you how to solve this question. There is given that a circle circumscribes identical close packed circles of unit diameter as shown in the figure. What is the total area of the shaded portion? So you have to calculate the area of this portion, means the rest of this portion is just shaded, and you have to calculate this area. So what will you do? You first calculate the area of this bigger one, circumcircle, and then area of these smaller circles, and then subtract the both of these areas, and then you will get the rest of the area. As I have told you that it can be asked, it may be asked in June 2020. It is not, there is no guarantee that it will come, but there is a chance that it can come. Not this question, but the question based on finding the area of the shaded portion. It's very important question and it can be asked in this examination, but there will be a given a figure and you have to calculate the area of the shaded portion. So first of all I will calculate this question's a solution and then I will move ahead. To calculate the area of a circle, we first calculate the radius of that circle. So first of all, to calculate the area of this bigger circle, that is circumcircle, then it is given that unit diameters. These smaller circles are of unit diameter, so this will be half and this will be 1. So radii of this bigger circle will be 3 by 2. This circumcircle radii will be 3 by 2. So the area of this circumcircle will be just pi into 3 by 2. So pi 3 by 2 whole square means pi by 4 into 9, that is 9 pi by 4. So to calculate the area of these smaller circles, we will just calculate the radius, and the radius is half of this unit diameter, that is half. So area of one smaller circle is pi r square, that is pi by 4 half square, and the total area of these smaller circles will be just multiplication of 7, because 7 smaller circle, so 7 into area of one smaller circle, that is pi by 4, 7 pi by 4. Now the area of shaded portion will be just subtraction from the area of bigger circle to the area of the smaller circle. So ACC means area of circumcircle, and area of the smaller circle 9 pi by 4 minus 7 pi by 4, it will be just 2 pi by 4 and it will be just pi by 2. So answer will be just D. So it's very simple question. You have to calculate the area of the bigger circle and then you have to calculate the area of smaller circles, and then you have to subtract both of them and you will get the answer. There is another question asked in the CSIR NET December 2014. This question is, what does the diagram this establish? These are the relations, 4 relations, and you have to calculate which relation is correct. So there is a square and this is circle. So you have to find the relationship between these in this figure. So from this figure it is clear that it can be calculated on the basis of area, and you have to find the area of this square and then area of this circle, because this circle is inside the square. So area of this square will be greater than this area of this circle. So first of all, suppose that the side of this square ABCD is A. So area of this square will be just A square. And now the area of this circle will be just pi of radii square, and radii will be just a by 2, because this perpendicular will divide this side DCD in two parts, and this will be a by 2 and a by 2. So this will be just pi of a by 2 square, that is pi a by 2 ka whole square. So now the relationship will be area of square will be greater than area of circle. This is the relationship between these two figures. So a square will be greater than pi a square by 4, and it is nothing but 4 is greater than pi, and the option is C. So option C is the correct answer. So in this method you can calculate. So guys, if you like my video and understand these questions easily, so please subscribe, like, press the like button and hit the bell icon for more updates, and share to those friends which are also interested to do the preparation of CSIR NET JRF in free. Thanks for watching.